Hello everyone. I am Alan Zhou. I come from Chongqing Province, China. Chongqing Province.
重庆啊？
哎呀，
啥子东西？
重庆市。
啥子东西？
火锅吗？
啥子东西？什么东西？啥子？
呀。
啥子？这动作。
At first, I'm glad to meet you, Kojiro, and I hope to see everybody in later.
What's your English name?
周祖维。
How about English name?
Alan Zhou.
Alan. Okay.
Okay. Welcome everybody come to China. Thank you.
Bye bye.